So on our 6.03 quiz, you have this question, and it says the months of the year are written on cards and dropped into a box. Remington selects a card without looking. What is the probability that Remington selects a month that begins with the letter M? So when we're talking about a month that begins with the letter M, January, February, we have March, not April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So there's only 2 months that begin with the letter M out of 12. 2 out of 12. You will put this in your calculator, and I'm going to let you do this since this is a direct quiz question. It does simplify to 1/6, but notice you need it as a decimal rounded to the nearest hundredth, so 2 decimal places. So put it in decimal form, rounded to 2 decimal places. And that's the probability that Remington selects a month that begins with the letter M. One more I wanted to look at here. I noticed a number of us missed this one, and I'm wondering if maybe we just counted the spaces wrong or something like that. So it says, what's the probability of spinning a 2 on the spinner below? Well, there are 8 spaces, so there's 8 total options, and 1, 2, 3 of them are 2s. So 3 out of 8, and I cannot remember on your quiz if it gives you, if you leave it as a fraction. I think you do. But if not, then you would just put it in your calculator to get the decimal. But I believe it had you leave it as a fraction anyways. Just make sure you're taking your time counting the spaces properly, and you will be good to go on that one.